Plus what? 1y. Good job. Absolutely. You need to be writing now. Go ahead and write it as we go along.
Plus 13.
Plus
13.
Good job. Absolutely. We began with what? A table. Now, tell me, how did you come up with your rule from your table? Janice.
I came up with my rule from my table because first I tried 7, 4, and I said, what does that? So I looked at tried the operations, and I did 7 minus 4 equals 3. And to check, I did 4 plus 3 equals 7, and that's how I got my answer.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Did your rule work for all of your x values?
Yes, because 8 take away 3 is 5. 9 take away 6 is 3. Yeah. 10 take away 7 is 3. 11 take away 8 is 8, 9, 10, 11, and that's 3.
Good job. Okay, tell me about that graph though. What made you pick that graph? Describe what did you do for the graph part?
For the graph, I looked at these and then I seen I tried to match them up.
Give me an example. Let's see. Show me with your fingers or with your pencil so I can see exactly what you did.
4.
Okay.
That's what I had problems with.
Okay. Well, let's look at it. Which axis is the x-axis? Show me with your finger. Good job. And where's my y-axis? Okay. So if I try 7 as my x value, and I go to my y value, let's go, move your finger over to 7 on the x. Now, let's go up. Does y go up to 4?
No.
Okay, so does this table really match this graph? Does this graph, match the table?
No.
Okay, so we might need to look at this one again. Let's look at it again. Look for a table where your 7 value of x is going to come to a 4 for your y value. See, what we're looking at is this particular line. Okay, let's look. Put your finger on the 7 and then go up to the line. Where does the line hit? Is that 4?
No.
Okay, so that tells me that, does that say that this table works with this graph and table work together? So that means that this is going to be not the correct one, right? So let's look at these two. Do the same thing. Let's test x for 7 and then go up to the line. That is called a linear equation, which we'll be working on that in 7th grade. Okay, well, just to be safe, try another value just to make sure. Absolutely. So that goes with this one, okay? So now you understand how that works? So you can now figure out which graph this goes with, which table this graph will match, okay? And make sure you make your corrections on your paper. Find your A table, your B table, and your C table. And let's put them in order. Yeah, good. Absolutely. Okay, so once we have our tables aligned, we can look at the x value and the y value and determine a relationship between them. That relationship will be what we call the rule. Okay, I need you to look at the table. Because you're looking at me, you're not looking at the table. I need you to look at the table. Okay? Now, those are my rules. Those are my graphs. These are my equations, right? So just go ahead and get them all so you can see them. Turn them right side up so you can see them all. Take everything out your cup, honey. You need to take them all out so you can see them all. All right. Good. So, let's see if we can determine any type of relationship between this x value and the y value. When I see 7 and I see 4, is there any relationship between them as it relates to an operation? What do you multiply 7 by and get 4? Or what do you multiply 4 by and get 7?
Oh, no.
Okay, so let's rethink that. Are you okay? Or you got it, or you listening?
I'm listening.
Okay, cool, baby.
Because I don't got it.
You don't got it. I don't got it.
I don't know.
Okay.
Teachers, please check your email.